Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this knife sharpener. This is such a neat idea of a knife sharpener. It comes with a nice instruction manual, but I mean, look at this thing. This is awesome. First of all, it is heavy duty, it's diamond plated stainless steel. It comes with this nice wood block on here. So here's the product up close. You actually have two different angles that are both magnetic. So this is a 20-degree angle. So when you place your knife on there, it will stick at a 20-degree angle, and then a 15-degree angle. And then this is where you can just set it to use it for next time. And then you have a double-sided on this as well. And these all have different meanings for what you use your blades for. So if you want different kind of sharpening, whether it's a cut in the blade or whatever you're doing, these have different reasons to have it. Now to use this, all you've got to do is you select your knife. It easily grips onto this magnet. So that is fantastic. You just set it on there. And then all you have to do is simply roll this magnet over top of it. So this completely just rolls with you. So you don't have to do anything besides just roll it. You just take it and roll across the actual knife here. And then that will then sharpen your blade. You just have to clean it off. Then you are ready to use this nice sharp blade. That is super simple to be able to use and get those knives really nice and sharp. This would be a great gift for anybody to have, be able to quickly and easily sharpen the knife.